Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to outline text in Photoshop. At first, select the Type tool and type out your text. Now go to the layer and select the text layer. Right-click on it and from the options, choose Blending options. This will open the Layer Style window. In the left-hand menu, click on a stroke. Here you can control the size of the outline, its positions, inside, outside or center, and change the color of the stroke. Once you are happy with the outline, click OK to apply the effect. And that's it. You have successfully added an outline to your text in Photoshop. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.